Hello guys, this is me Alina and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing plus swatching and also creating this look right here on my face with the new Sugar Rage for the Coverage 24-hour foundation. So if you're interested to know my thoughts on this particular product, then keep on watching, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and like, share, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out more videos. So without any further ado, let's just quickly jump right into the video. Guys, so now let's see what the brand claims about this particular product. They say it is a long wear foundation, gives a natural finish. Its soft focus effect gives a perfectly blurred unified appearance, evens complexion and corrects pigmentation. Comes with Portulaca Whiteout technology, smoothens and revives irritated skin, and also they do come in 15 unique shades to just suit all the Indian skin tones. So this is how the product looks like. It comes in this tube type of packaging, making it very travel friendly. You will get 25 ml of the product for $7.99. That is pretty decent amount for a foundation. This foundation is waterproof, smudge proof, and also it blends easily into the skin. It doesn't feel heavy, it feels super light on the skin. So Sugar was kind enough to send me 4 shades from the whole range to just swatch it for you guys. A perfect foundation for summers. It stays quite a long time. Plus, if you have an oily to combination skin type, this will suit you amazingly. This will be your perfect jam. Plus, if you have dry skin and then you need to moisturize your skin really well, then use this foundation. Hey guys, so now let's start with the tutorial. So first I'm taking this smoothing blur primer to blur out my pores and smoothen my skin. Next I'm taking the Rage for the Coverage foundation in the shade 20 Galio. So I will be using Beauty Blender on the one side and brush on the other side. Now I'm just dotting off the foundation, and now I'm just using a Beauty Blender to blend the foundation, and you can see it is so pigmented, like it is full coverage. You can see how it covered my skin. So there it is, the Beauty Blender finish. Now I'm using a brush to just blend the foundation in, and this is how it looks. I am like impressed with the finish of the foundation. This is so nice, so good, and so amazing. You can clearly see it on my face how it is working out. Now I'm taking the same foundation in the shade 55 Americano to just contour my face out, and you can see this is such a nice bronzy shade to just to cream contour your whole face. It blends seamlessly. Next I am taking this banana powder from Sugar Cosmetic and just using a little bit under my eyes. And now I'm just taking this face palette and picking up the only blush and highlighter shade, and just putting some highlighter on the high points of my face. For the eyes, I am taking the Sugar Cosmetics Graphic Jam eyeliner. This is in the shade Blackest Black, I guess. And also I'm using the same mascara, the Lash of the Titans mascara. This is such a nice mascara to go for. Like, this is very nice. Next I'm going in with a pink nude shade. This is the Sugar Matte as Hell crayon lipstick in the shade Holy Golightly. This is such a nice shade, and that is all for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this mini tutorial.